Hello everyone, this is Donna, and today I want to share with you my top 3 vloggers that I watch to earn money online. Hello! So here we are again on my channel. Today is going to be a little different though, because today I want to share with you my top 3 vloggers that I really love watching. So these vloggers that I'm about to introduce to you, they don't need any introduction at all, because I don't know if you've heard of them, but I'm sure some of you might have. They have actually helped me a lot, because a little backstory, I have been working a full-time job ever since I graduated from college, so it has always been an office job. I have no idea how to start an online career or how to earn money online. I actually don't know. So I just started considering doing all those when I had a baby, because of course I want to spend more time with my child. So well, these vloggers that I'm about to tell you are my top 3 favorite vloggers. So let's start with no particular order, okay? Because I think all of them are wonderful. And they are all ladies. So these ladies are amazing, okay? I am so proud of them because they're very resourceful and very successful. I think they are very successful. And heads up, I have no idea who they are. I do not know them personally, yeah? So the first one that I want to let you know that I watched all the time is LUARCA. So Mimi is the one that I watched when I applied for QA World and also Super Hands. So I will leave a link on the description box below of the vlog that she did that I watched and that inspired me, okay? So do watch her channel, do subscribe to her channel, because she has a lot of contents that will be very useful to you, and most of her contents are online job or freelance job, yeah? So she has helped me. So without her, I wouldn't really know about QA World, how to apply and stuff like that. And she makes very detailed video, which I really like. So next one is JHAZEL VERA. So JHAZEL VERA, I am trying one of her recommendation. I will leave the link of the vlog that she did on the description, and it's called Fiat Faucet, if I'm not mistaken, Fiat Pay Faucet. So I will let you go to that link and watch her vlog about it. Sorry. Okay, I will leave it on the description below and let you watch her vlog about it. And I also watch her channel, and she shares about different applications, not just online job, cryptocurrencies, different application, how to earn money online, maybe through games or cryptocurrencies, online job, mining and stuff like that. So there are different options, and she does her vlog very well as well. And yeah, I like her. I watch her channel too. So next on my list is so this young lady, AIZA MERCADO, I have tried one of her recommendation. I will leave it on the link below, and this is an investment. So AIZA, well, she does a lot of vlogs about cryptocurrencies, also others like games where you can earn online and stuff like that, somehow similar to JHAZEL VERA as well. So I watch both of them. and their contents are very good. Their vlogs are very well made, and these 3 ladies have inspired me a lot to earn money online, and they actually are the ones who have helped me when I really don't know what to do, when I first resigned. Yeah, so pretty much that's it, guys. So these 3 vloggers have helped me a lot when it comes to earning money online. So do subscribe to their channel, do watch their vlogs, and you will learn a lot from them like I have. And thank you for, if you're still watching, thank you for watching this vlog of mine. And if you want more videos like this, do subscribe on my channel. And just a reminder, my channel doesn't have a niche, so I do have a playlist, whether you like online jobs, or whether you like skincare, or I don't know. This channel doesn't have a niche, so this is basically a personal vlog based on my experience per week. Yeah. Okay, bye for now.